Are you looking to learn how to stream on Mixer.com straight from your Xbox One? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do just that. What is going on, everybody? It's your boy King Chaos. I'm a content creator over on Mixer.com and I stream Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, I know a lot of you out there want to get started streaming and think that you need a bunch of fancy equipment in order to get started. But I'm here to tell you that when I started, I had just my Xbox and my headset. So in the video, I'm going to show you guys how to get started the same way that I did. And in the end, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can get your stream started off the right way. Let's jump into it. Okay, so in addition to an Xbox One, you're going to want to get yourself a headset with a good microphone. This is going to allow you to clearly speak with your chat. Interaction in chat is one of the biggest things about streaming. If they can't talk to you, there's no reason for them to be there. The biggest issue I see with streams is people either A, don't have a microphone at all, or the mic that they're speaking on doesn't sound good. So the 2 I would recommend is the HyperX Cloud Stinger and the Turtle Beach Recon 70. Both of them are on the cheaper end. They're going to run you about $40 to $50, and you can pick them up on Amazon, at Walmart, or any local electronics store that you have. I personally started out using the HyperX Cloud Stingers, and that was more than enough to get me off the ground in streaming. It wasn't as clear as my Blue Yeti is right now, but everybody could understand what I was saying perfectly. If you want to take your stream one step further, you can get yourself a webcam. I personally use the Logitech C922. It's a very good starter webcam, but I wouldn't say that this is necessary to start your stream. You definitely want to have a microphone though. Alright, so before we get started, there's a few things that we need to do. First, we need to check and make sure that we are in the correct account. So let's go over to sign in. I'm going to switch account and we're going to go over to the account that we would like to stream from. Second, you want to make sure that your system is up to date. In order to do that, we're going to press the Xbox button. We're going to go over to the right 3 times. We'll go down to settings. We're going to go down to system settings, go to update and downloads. And then at the very top, you'll see update console. Now, if your console's up to date, you're not going to have this step, but it's good to check. All right, and we're going to start the update. All right, so in order to start, we're going to need to activate our broadcast. You're going to press the Xbox button, go over to the right twice, and then go down to start broadcast. Now, once your broadcast has been prepared, it's going to come up with the terms and conditions. We're going to read it, and then we're going to click on I agree. Now, after this, we have one more step, and that's going to be our stream review to get our stream key. So let's head over to Mixer.com, and we'll finish it up there. Now, once we're on Mixer.com, we're going to go up to the top right, and we're going to click sign in. Now, you're going to sign in using the same email and password that you used to log in on the Xbox account. Then we'll enter our password, and then we are going to go down and click sign in. Now, once you are signed in, we're going to go up to the top right where you have your icon. We're going to click it and go down to broadcast dashboard. Now, once in broadcast dashboard, the very first page will show get started. We're going to go ahead and click there so that we can do our Mixer review. Now, once you watch the video, go down to next step and then click on request stream key. Now, this is going to put you on a 24-hour stream review, and this is going to allow you to use a camera on your broadcast. So make sure that you do this step early so that you're not held up later on. All right, so when we're ready to customize our stream, we're going to press the Xbox button. We'll go over to the right 2 times. We'll go down to start broadcasting, and then this will allow us to change our title, turn on our mic, as well as our camera. So once it's finished preparing your broadcast, we can go down. Right here is where you can turn on and off your microphone, as well as we have our camera options. Now, to stream with your webcam, you'll need permission. So this is why we went to the website and we went and submitted our 24-hour review. Down here, you're going to have more options. So this is where we can change our stream title. Now, I have mine set to my first stream. You can set it to whatever game you're playing or any witty, eye-catching title that will grab people's attention and bring them into your stream. Then you're going to have your party audio. I personally keep it off. You're held responsible for everything that's said in your stream. So any of your friends that may say something inappropriate or curse in a manner that's not acceptable on the platform can be heard and you will be held responsible. So personally, I keep my party audio off. Chat, this is where you can turn on and off your chat to broadcast on the screen. And then move your broadcast overlay is where you can move that little banner that tells you your stats as well as your chat. So you can have it to the right, to the top right, center right, the left, middle left, bottom left, middle center, or bottom right. It's entirely up to you. I personally like to keep mine in the top right corner. It kind of keeps it out of the way, but I also turn my chat off like I'll explain later on in the video. Alright guys, so when you're ready to start broadcasting, you're going to press your Xbox button. We're going to go over to the right twice, and then we're going to go down to start broadcasting. Now once you click that, it's going to start preparing your broadcast, getting your title ready, the game that you'll be playing, finding your camera and your microphone. Once that's done loading, we're going to go ahead and click start broadcast. Now that blue bar that popped up on the top is going to be your streaming stats. So it's going to show you how many minutes you've been streaming for, if your stream is active or if it's paused, how many people are viewing, as well as if your microphone is on and your webcam is showing. All right, and now we are officially streaming. Now, once we're ready to finish our stream, guys, we're going to go ahead and press the Xbox button. We're going to go over to the right twice. We're going to go down to where it says broadcasting live on Mixer, and then we can stop broadcast. And once that blue bar has disappeared, you know that you've officially ended your stream. Alright, so my first tip is going to be make sure that you guys set a schedule. One of the main reasons I was able to build such a strong community around my stream is because I'm always live at the same time. Now, I personally set my schedule from Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern time, but my stream really goes from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. This allows me 1 hour before and 1 hour after, so if I have to get off early or I start late, my stream already thinks that that's the time that I would start. And the days that I begin early and I stay late, my stream thinks that they're in for an extra little treat. Now, my second tip is going to be to use a cell phone or a tablet in order to view your chat. This is going to eliminate your chat popping up on your game screen, which is one thing that personally annoyed me when I started streaming. And in addition to that, it's going to allow you a bigger space to see your chat, and you'll be able to scroll through your chat to go back and answer anybody that you missed while you were playing your game. All right, and my third tip, regardless of what you're playing, make sure that you interact with your chat. I can't tell you how many times I go into people's streams and I say hello and I get no response back. The only reason viewers are in your stream is to interact with you as the streamer. They can watch anybody else play that game, but building that relationship between you and them is what's going to keep them around. So make sure you guys talk to your chat. Alright guys, well that's it for the video. I hope that you were able to learn how you can get started streaming on Mixer with just using an Xbox One. If you guys enjoyed the video, please smash that thumbs up button and smash that follow button. I will be putting out future videos on different streaming content. If you guys would like, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the next video, and let me know what was your biggest struggle getting started. Alright guys, King Chaos checking out for the day. I will see you in the next video.